Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to order product samples in Printful. Sample orders are only available if you have at least one connected store, like Shopify, Etsy, etc. If not, connect one first, then wait until the next month to place your sample. By default, you get one sample order per month of up to 3 items, and as your sales increase, your allowance can grow. Now, open the product template or start new design in the product editor. Use your own design or place other art. You can't other blank products. So, head over to my product from the left corner. And you can start a new design. So I have a product here already, but you can just go ahead and click on create product and start your design. Let's say this is a design, and that takes you to the product editor. No, this isn't the product editor. Just go ahead and click on start designing, and that's going to take you to the product editor. So go ahead and design and go through the prompt, add your markups, add the details, add the pricing, and your product to be created, because you cannot order blank product. I want to leave this because I have already created a product, which is here. So once you've created your product, go ahead and click on new order at the top right corner of your dashboard or in templates. So once you click that new order, you're going to see new product. You're going to see published product. So click on published product, and you see your product. So from this published product window, go ahead and click on choose. Click the choose button, and it takes you to this page. So you can pick up to 3 items, including any variant, size, color that you want to test. All right, then if you're ordering 3 items or that you want to order, then if you're ordering 3 items, they must be the same product, otherwise checkout may fail. So once you're done, go ahead and click on continue to shipping, and once you select continue to shipping, it's going to take you to a window where you have to add your shipping details, so your shipping address, order number, and what have you. And once you click on that, calculate shipping, it's going to give you the total, and the last page is going to be review and pay, where you need to proceed to payment. So use a credit card or fund your Printful wallet. Some users report smoother ordering via wallet. Now, once submitted, your dashboard shows fulfillment status and tracking. Expect delivery in a few days. Carefully inspect packaging, print quality, fit. This data is gold for visuals and copy. Now, make sure that the items you're ordering are the same ones. If you're ordering the same product and it's still not letting you proceed, you can contact support. Sample orders are available. You only get one sample order per month. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you're good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search.